solve exactly. What does it mean to say exactly? Yeah, you're not just going to turn this into a decimal, right? You're going to actually have to do some trigonometry. What was the first step in solving? Yeah, we've got to isolate the trig identity. Let me put that. No decimals, just so it's in the slide. Okay, so we need to isolate the trig identity. Well, or the trig function. Well, it's in two different places, but it's the same trig function. What should I do? Yeah, combine like terms. You need to subtract it from one side so that they're all on one side. So subtract 2 cosine x. That'll be 2 cosine x equals 1. Okay, cosine x equals 1/2. Okay, now cosine 1/2 is a recognizable unit circle coordinate, right? You go to the unit circle and you look for the x coordinate. Where is the x coordinate equal to positive 1/2? And 5π/3. These two right here, right? Now, the fact that it did not tell us that we should say just from 0 to 2 pi means we're going to have to add that statement, right? Plus n times something, right? So in this case, we're going to say x equals pi/3, and then how often is it that cosine repeats itself? Every 2 pi. So it's multiples of 2 pi before and after pi/3 would also be, they would all be coterminal angles, so they would all solve it the same. Same thing for the other angle. X equals 5π/3 plus n times 2 pi. How did we know the cosine repeats every 2 pi? Go back and look at the graph in the book. It's a wave. It goes on forever. You know that. Right? So remember, if it doesn't say 0 to 2 pi, you need something that comes after it that says n times, however often it's going to repeat.